Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by turning the circuit breaker off and verifying there's no live voltage with a tester. Safety first. Once done, confirm you have the correct track head and adapter for H/J/L profile and the system voltage. Make sure you have wire nuts and the correct screwdriver at hand because mismatched parts cause poor connections. You'll also check the track length and mounting points now so you don't have to pause mid-installation. You insert the adapter into the track, aligning the locking tabs and pushing firmly until it clicks. That click is your mechanical lock. Once seated, access the adapter's wiring compartment and connect live to live, neutral to neutral, and ground to ground. Use wire nuts and twist connections together so they're secure. Make sure no copper is exposed and tuck wires neatly. Good electrical contact prevents arcing and flicker. Tighten any retaining screws on the adapter to lock the wiring in place. You now seat the LED head by inserting it into the track and turning or sliding it into the final lock position until it feels secure. This ensures both mechanical and electrical contact. Once done, restore power at the breaker and switch the fixture on, checking for steady illumination and dimmer compatibility if used. If you see flicker or no light, make sure power is on, then recheck adapter contacts and track continuity. If problems persist, replace the adapter or that track section as the most common fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.